Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by enabling the system multi-window. Open Settings, go to Display, and tap Multi-Window or Split Screen. This turns the capability on. Make sure your navigation mode is set. Gestures versus buttons change the gesture to activate split screen. Once done, open both apps you want to use so they appear in Recents. You do this now to prevent the phone from closing one app when the split starts and to speed the transition into the next actionable step. Now you activate split screen from Recents. Swipe up or tap Recents to show recent apps, then tap the app icon and choose split screen or drag to split. This pins the first app to the top or left. Next, pick the second app from Recents or App Drawer. It loads in the other pane. Make sure to adjust the divider to balance screen space. You do this because some apps default to full screen and need the explicit split command to run side by side. To finish, resize with the divider and use the swap icon to exchange app positions. It helps when one app needs more space. Exit by dragging the divider fully to one edge or tapping close. This returns a single app to full screen. If the split won't engage, force stop and reopen the apps or toggle multi-window off and on in Settings. Restart the device only if necessary. This clears temporary UI issues and restores split screen functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.